Alright, welcome back, Channel Chief, and today I'm going to show y'all how to load up with my good troop. Okay, so you're going to go into automatically in the list program, which is right there, list program. And then from there, you're going to type in, everything starts with an O. O, not a zero, O. We're going to do O, and we're going to do another 0, and 1, 0, 1, 2, and then you're going to press enter. And as you see, it's loading the file. You just created a new file. Now we're going to press MDI, and then you're going to press edit. As you see, your code you created is right there. And from there, you're going to type in your G code, which is, we're creating a spindle warm-up. So you can do S500, M3, end block, enter. And then now you can do G04, P100, period, end the block, and there you go. And let's just say you want to run other ones. You're just going to type in S1000, M3, end the block, then G04, P100, period, end the block. And to finish my thought, what I'm getting at is you're going to do S1000, M03, end the block, and then G04, P100, period, end the block. And then from there, you just keep going on your desired RPM for your spindle warm-up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. All right, y'all.